Hello, uh, my name is Hemil Patel, and my student ID is 20173873. So this presentation is about the database design and development. So let's move forward. And today's presentation slide is for the company. The name of the company is Wedgwood Pacific. Uh, so I will give the description about this company. The Wedgwood Pacific founded in 1987 in Seattle, Washington. This company manufactures and sells consumer drone aircraft, and this is an innovative and rapidly developing market in today's era. In January 2016, the FAA said that the one approximate 1,081,000 drones had been registered under the new FAA drone registration rules 3. So the Wedgwood Pacific currently produces three drone models, the Alpha 3, the Bravo 3, and the Delta 4. Uh, these products are created by Wedgwood Pacific Research Development Group and produced at Wedgwood Pacific production facilities. Wedgwood Pacific Company manufactures some of the parts used in drones, but also purchases some parts from other suppliers. The company is located in two buildings. One building houses the administration, legal, finance, accounting, uh, human resource, and sales and marketing departments, and houses the information system, research development, and production department. The company database contains data about employees, the departments, projects, assets, such as finished good inventory, parts inventory, and computer equipment, and as well other aspects of company operation. So let's continue the another slide. Uh, so the Woodward Pacific Company following tables are part of the Woodward Pacific Company database. First one is a department, second one is employee, project, and assignment. Department contains the department name, budget code, office number, and the department phone, whereas employee section contains the employee number, first name, last name, department, position, and supervisor. Whereas project, which the section project, which contain the project ID, project name, department, maximum hours, the start date of the employee and the end date, and the assignment contains project ID, employee number, and hours he has worked. So let's move into the next slide, which shows the department. In this slide, there is a data code about the department. As I told you earlier, the department contains the department name, budget code, office number, and department phone. Uh, so the accounting department name, first department name is the accounting, and the budget code is BC 310, and its office number is BLDG1 slash 100, and department phone is 360 285 830. So there are various type of department names like administration, finance, human resource, information system, and legal, and everything. As I told you, the department name, they have the various budget codes, office numbers, and department phone numbers. So moving to the next slides, which include the employee information. There are various kind of employees and their names. As per the slide, as you can see, there are six employees. The name of them are Mary, Roselle, Richard, Tom, Heather, and Mary. And the departments are vary from person to person, like administration. For example, Mary is working in the administration. Office number also varies from person to person, and the Richard is also working in the legal department, whereas Tom and Heather is working in the accounting department. So this is the list of their various email address and office phone number. Moving to the next slide, which includes the project. Okay, so there are various kind of project which include the project ID, project name, which is very essential in such a big multinational companies. The project ID, project name, department, and the maximum hours, the employee start date to the end date, which is very essential values. Moving to the next slide, uh, which include the assignment. Yeah. Which include the project ID and the employee number, and how or she has worked. Okay, so there are some uh, queries which have created to answer the following questions. So first question is, what projects are in the project table, and show all information for each project. And so we have to select this answer from the first assignment, first department. And then second question is, what are the project IDs, project name, start date, end date, where will use project in the project table, which already answer is already given in the second uh, uh, slide, which shows the employee. Already there are names and last names, department and office codes. Moving to the next question, which include, what projects in the project table started before August 1, 2018? Show all the information you can get in from the slide 3. From project, where start date was 2018, and the month was August, and date was first August 2018. So the what projects in the project table have not been completed, uh, which all the answers in the slide 4 uh, assignment. Yeah. So uh, let's continue the next slide to the next slide. Who are the employees assigned to each project? Show project ID, project name, department phone, uh, employee number, last name, first name, and office phone sorted by project ID in ascending order. So these are the number which is in slide number slide number 5, the employees, whereas all the information given about the first name, last name, department, office phone, and email addresses. Uh, so the moving to the next slide, number 13, how many projects are being run by the marketing department? And be sure to assign an appropriate column name to the computed results. So the from project where department is in the department is in marketing. And the next question is, what is the total maximum hours of project being run by the marketing department? Be sure to assign an appropriate column name to the computer result. And as well as select sum is as a total maximum hours, and from project is marketing. So that let's move to the next. So there are various kind of questions, which includes the who supervise each employee at Wagewood Pacific, and include the names of employee with no supervisor in the results of the query. So we have to select the employee name, first name, last name, supervisor first name, and supervisor first name and last name. Uh, so let's continue to the last question, which shows that write an SQL statement to join employee and assignment and include all rows of employee in your answers, regardless of whether they have an assignment. So for that, you have to select the employee number, their first name, last name, project ID, and hours worked as an employee. So the slides are over right now and is completed. And thank you.